First, just get yourself some cardstock. It's super easy. You can find some old cardboard or something if you can't afford or you can't get to the store, but whatever. You don't need a lot. Just get a small pack of cardstock. And then white is totally fine. You can just leave it as is. I like to do a little bit of color, just tiny, not overdo it, but still make it personalized. And I don't know, there's something about a very faded, it's like I put a little color and then I make it a little gray by adding a little bit of black and white. But there's something about this very faded fabric-y look that jewelry just looks really good on. We'll see hopefully in a moment. Basically it's just red, white, and black. But you know, not added evenly, it's kind of sporadically spread around. A little bit of orange. And get more of that white in there. Can't emphasize enough that you want it to be very, like, subdued. Kind of like parchment, like a lighter version of parchment. Even a little blue here and there won't hurt. Sometimes you can try a few different styles, a few different colors, like maybe do each page a slightly different color. Sometimes a little faded blue, a little faded purple. So you use proper ventilation and a mask and a fan, open a window, do this outside is the best. Alright, I'm just going to let that, yeah, let that drop. So now we got these nice pastel, very light pieces. And I added a little more color, found a little bit of yellow and purple in there. So it's kind of got like a very faded rainbow effect. So now you basically just plot out how much of a rectangle you want, like where you want the earrings to hang, put two little dots, how big the necklace is, and then you don't even need a ruler. You just kind of fold it and you use the natural fold to keep it right angles for your rectangle. So easy. And just cut it out. Play around with the size, but basically it's almost a square. And then I'm gonna give it a little bit, about a little less than an inch, about 1.5 centimeters, like that. And then poke some holes. You can have the necklace in the middle with the two earrings here, or you can have the necklace come down like that with the two earrings up here. That's how I'm going to do it the second way. I'm going to take this right about here and cut two slits, not all the way through. And that's going to be to put the necklace part through. Mark the holes where you want the earrings to be. It's easier if you actually take the earrings and put them down on the piece first, so you can have them lay exactly the way you want. Put them down on the paper. You could poke them with a piece of wire or one of your tools. You just need to make a little hole. It's nothing really special. Just to put the earring hook through. Now I just put this necklace through here like this. I have all this chain on the back that would flop around if I move it too much. So if you want to make your rectangle a little bit longer, you can fold this other part over too, but then get a couple pieces of tape and you can tape this like that, and then you have like a little pocket for the chain to hide in. Now see, I didn't make this quite big enough now with that extra fold, so it's coming down a little bit, but still pretty good. Now, if you don't want to go through all this, you could just tape the necklace chain right to the back. But then the people don't have as much of an option to, you know, pull it out and try it on if they want, because then they feel like they're messing with tape. Again, these are not the easiest things. If you want someone to be able to try on a bunch of stuff, go to my video about easy jewelry displays. I'll show you how to make displays where you can pull the pieces off right away for people to try on at a show. But this is a cute little, you know, if you have to have a whole bunch of pieces moving around and all you have is a tabletop to work with when you're selling. See, I don't like the placement of those holes. I'm going to make new ones. Beautiful. Now what did we learn? We needed to have that rectangle quite a bit longer to hold that whole piece, but still, nice little presentation there. Okay, now this one fits better, but after doing this more, I'm thinking it'd be a lot easier to put the necklace up higher and have the earrings on either side like that. I think that would take up a lot less space, and you can make smaller little sections there. Plus, if you make them too big, they kind of start to droop. So I'm learning with you guys as we go, but I'm still liking how this looks a lot. The cool thing is, now that I figured out about the size I want, it's about an even 4 that I can get out of each sheet of 8.5 by 11. So I can just fold it one way, fold it the other way, and then I have my grid there to just cut it along, and then it's super easy. I don't know if this card stock is not as heavy as some. You want to try to get really heavy card stock. Again, if you want to save money, thin cardboard boxes, cut those up. They'd probably be even better. And then you have like the natural kind of rustic look from the cardboard. You don't even need to paint them if you don't want to. This stone was so heavy, I had to put double the paper in the back, and I had to tape the chain down. Full disclosure. But it's neat because you can write the description of the piece up here, what it's made of. You can write the price, and you can move these things around as you need on your table. As stuff sells, you can move stuff around, make the table still look full. You can stack these if you need to go on a trip. You can just stack them up, put them in a little briefcase, put some padding around it. They're probably not going to move too much. A lot of stuff you can do once you get over the initial hump of just finding out what works for you with your each of your little display cards. Okay, I'm learning that if you're going to move around a lot, it is better to tape the chain in the back. And then once you put the earring hooks in, kind of grab them from both sides and pinch them down. That's actually good to do with earring hooks anyway. It helps hold them in the earlobe better so they don't fall out when people are wearing them. But I think I'm getting this down to a science with you guys watching. But experiment with this. You guys might find an even better way. I was just thinking maybe if you fold it in a full triangle, you might get more strength, as well as, see, if you fold it like that and then tape it. Ooh. Then you might get more strength and you might be able to hide stuff better. Or you can fold it in several different ways. You guys are artists. Look at that. Fold it like that. Tape it right there. It's another idea. You'll figure it out. Whatever works for you guys.